Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today we're introducing you to a completely free airdrop project in the AI space. The project we want to talk about today is Anoma. Anoma has successfully raised $57.75 million in funding led by major venture capital firms such as Polychain Capital, Coinbase Ventures, the Spartan Group, and Delphi Ventures, along with other investors you can find on CryptoRank. The airdrop has been officially confirmed to distribute rewards by the project team. This is a completely free project, so take a little time to participate. Before we dive into how to join the airdrop, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with future potential projects. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important information or instructions on how to participate in this airdrop. What is Anoma? Anoma is a blockchain platform consisting of the Anoma protocol and the Anoma Network. It helps optimize applications based on user intent. In its early stage, Anoma will launch on Ethereum, then expand to other blockchains and ecosystems. Anoma's development roadmap is divided into three main phases: DevNet, Testnet, and Mainnet. What makes Anoma special? Anoma introduces a breakthrough in blockchain architecture with an intent-centric model focusing on user intent. This allows for easier development of dApps across all blockchains. The problems and solutions Anoma addresses. Current Web3 problem. Blockchains are fragmented, making it difficult for both developers and users. Anoma's solution, like how Windows simplified computing, Anoma connects various blockchains into a unified operating system. Users no longer need to worry about which chain they're interacting with. If Ethereum opened the era of DeFi and NFTs, then Anoma brings forth the era of fully decentralized, smooth, and user-friendly dApps, even enabling applications that have never existed before. Anoma Mainnet. The Anoma Mainnet is the project's first official network, allowing real-world app development and interaction with familiar tokens like ETH, BTC, DAI, and USDC. At this stage, Anoma does not have its own token. The focus is on offering a powerful development interface so developers can start building intent-centric dApps. Its resource plasma architecture is the core of the mainnet, utilizing existing infrastructure for ordering, computation, and storage. These are connected through Anoma's P2P node system, forming a strong distributed network that supports intent-based dApps. How to join the Anoma airdrop. First task: image generation. Step 1. Click on the link found in the video description and create a wizard image based on your preferences. Step 2. Once completed, the system will generate an image for you. If you like it, click Submit and share it on X, formerly Twitter. If you're not satisfied, click Regenerate to create a new one using your prompt. Pretty simple, right? Next task, Guild task. Step 1. Click the provided link in the video description. Log in and connect your wallet. I'm using MetaMask. Step 2. Complete the social media tasks here. First, you'll need to edit your X bio. Then follow Anoma's X account. Join Anoma's Discord and verify your account. There are 2 Discord-related tasks that require joining before December 24th, 2024. You can skip those. Check your access. I was missing a GitHub account. So I connected it, rechecked, and I was good to go. The next task is to like a post. I chose to skip the Own Anoma NFT task, but you can consider doing it. Step 3, move on to the quest section. Here you'll also complete basic social media tasks. Just follow along with me. After that, move to the task roles section, which also includes social media tasks. Be patient and complete as many as you can. You can skip any tasks that are not possible for you. That wraps up our introduction to the Anoma project and how to join their airdrop. We hope the information we shared is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more promising projects in the near future. Thank you, and see you next time.